Did you know that PRC has downloadable playground signage for Unity, LAMP, and WordPower? If you go on their website, look it up, you can get it in a format that's whole, or you can even get it in individual symbols if you'd like to simplify it and not have 60 or 84 buttons on your playground. Each file is downloaded separately. Once you're in Vista Print, you can choose a variety of yard signs. I kind of like the 2x3 foot yard sign because you want it to be low to the ground so that your smallest users and those in chairs can still reach the top. So you're gonna upload your image. You can even put the same image on the back side if you want to. And then work through the pricing. They will give you an opportunity to view it and you can edit from there. It's about $45. It's one of the cheaper ways to make communication available on your playground.